Are you a business owner looking for a consistent and reliable trash service? Count on Dumpsters.com's commercial dumpster services to deliver. We make waste disposal simple and affordable by offering consistent flat rates, 1-year contracts, flexible pickup options, employing a helpful service team, and providing a variety of size options. Our permanent or front-load dumpster sizes range from 2 to 8 yards and are made to handle any business's permanent trash removal needs. For example, a small business may only need a 2-yard dumpster, which holds about 24 regular trash bags emptied once a month. A large business may need an 8-yard dumpster, which holds about 96 trash bags emptied once a week. Our range of sizes and flexible pickup options accommodate all types of businesses and organizations as we work with offices, retailers, apartment buildings, warehouses, schools, and restaurants. Dumpsters.com also offers roll-off dumpsters that can be rented on a temporary or recurring basis. These are made for remodeling jobs, construction projects, and business cleanouts. Roll-offs range from 10 to 40 yards and are commonly rented by contractors, home builders, and roofers with projects in multiple locations. Our knowledgeable team at Dumpsters.com will help you decide what commercial dumpster is right for you. This individualized service makes for a simple rental process and helps keep money in your pocket. Call Dumpsters.com today at 844-444-3867 to rent a commercial dumpster for your business or organization.